He is Amogh, I am Rahul, and he is Ahyan from Excel Public School, Mysore. Carbon footprint refers to the total amount of greenhouse gases produced by human activity. According to 2020 statistics, India's carbon dioxide emissions per capita was 1.74 metric tons, up from 0.39 metric tons in 1970. In India, the transport sector accounts for 13.5% of CO2 emissions, with 90% of the emissions resulting from road transport, of which 58% are from personal cars and two vehicles.
Every year, air pollution causes 5 to 9 million premature deaths and many more cases of bronchitis, asthma, and other cardiopulmonary diseases. This issue poses a raging threat to the environment and to our society. It is time to make people aware of this burgeoning problem.
Initially, through a Google survey, we collected the vehicle details from many families. Details such as the number of vehicles, the year of purchase, and the kilometers they drove per week. Based on the research and analysis, we set a standard for carbon emissions caused by personal vehicles, and it was compared with the collected data. The plotted results were categorized as low, moderate, high, and very high.
We developed an AI-based mobile application using code.org. Inside the app, an AI model was developed and trained with the collected data. If a person submits the details such as number of vehicles owned by the family, the kind of vehicles owned by the family, and the distance driven by each vehicle every week, our app can predict the carbon footprint of these vehicles. Based on the prediction, the app suggests alternative ways to reduce the family's carbon emissions caused by the vehicles. As a result, the lives of people will be healthier, greener, and more sustainable.
Amogh came up with the idea of an awareness app using the vehicle emission data of an individual. He collected data using Google Forms and did data analysis with Ahyan's support.
More real-time data to improve
Rahul worked on the programming part of the app and trained the AI model. I worked on the research and documentation required for the data project.
Therefore, making them aware of the problems and suggesting ways to reduce the carbon emissions.
Thank you.